did this MindMovie for Australian workshop, and all the things in the MindMovie came true. First of all, I was awarded for, first I thought I'm not worthy to receive the award for fellow chartered accountant for CPA Australia and New Zealand. So I thought I'm not worthy to receive, people will be better, but see, I got the award. I was awarded, and then I've been exceeding my personal best. Whatever I say I can't do now, I'm doing, you know, and then health-wise, I'm very good. And we are just going to build another, you know, multi-million-dollar house, you know, for a home. So all this was in the MindMovie. It's all coming true. So I'm so excited. And my daughter is using the technique we have told her to use, and she's managing her stress quite well, doing second-year law, and she's a Dean's List. And she has published, 19-year-old girl has published 3 papers, journal articles. So this is like achievement. All was in my MindMovie. It's happened in a very short time. A new thing, you know, for me to look forward. There's so much of possibilities and unknown out there. Because I'm so used to be all the known, you know, I'm not a risk taker. Everything must be planned. Now I'm working without any plan, and things are working so good.
When you open your mind like that, opportunities just seem to arise, and you encounter a major hurdle, and you find that you open that mind and you become far more amenable to many different creative possibilities.
Finally, at 50, I know the formula for success, because we are financially very successful. Career-wise, we are very successful. We got very, intelligent children, you know. So all these things is, I never thought it's possible. It's possible to have all. So Dr. Joe says, if you align, with the consciousness, in the field, you will achieve everything. And I feel I am successful. So everything is so successful.